this video, we'll be showing you how to send an email to an individual customer. First, log in as an administrator. Then from the main navigation, select Reports and then Customers. Locate the relevant customer from the list shown or by using the search option, which is located in the Manage menu. Then click on Send Email from the Manage menu for the relevant customer. Enter a subject in the subject field and type your message in the message field. You can attach up to 2 files. Then click on the Send button to deliver the email. And that's it, you've now successfully sent an email to an individual customer. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.